Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study history for Matric. First, thoroughly review your history syllabus to understand the scope of what's expected. Pay close attention to the main themes, significant events, and key figures. Knowing the syllabus helps you prioritize your study efforts and ensures you cover all necessary content. This foundational step is crucial for building a strong study plan and achieving your best results. Next, adopt effective study techniques to make your learning more efficient. Constructing timelines helps you grasp the sequence of historical events, while summarizing information in your own words deepens your understanding. Flashcards are excellent for quick recall of facts. Aim for active learning rather than passive reading to truly internalize the material and prepare for various question types. Practicing with past exam papers is vital for success. This step allows you to familiarize yourself with the types of questions asked, from short answers to extended essays. Practice writing essays under timed conditions to improve both your speed and structure. Critically review mark schemes to understand what examiners are looking for, ensuring your answers are comprehensive and well-supported. Finally, consistent revision is key to long-term retention. Regularly revisit all topics to solidify your knowledge and identify any areas needing further attention. Discussing history with classmates can offer new insights and clarify complex ideas. Creating mind maps helps you see the bigger picture, connecting various events and themes, which is essential for a holistic understanding of history.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.